Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore and unravel the significance of the most relaxing and comfortable pose, Balasana. It's also called the child pose. In Sanskrit, Bala means child and Asana is the pose. It's not the simple physical relaxation. It also gives the mental element of relaxation, which encapsulates the essence of letting go, surrenderance, and an element of introspection. By the end of this video, you will be able to perform this pose much efficiently and without any flaws. Now let's see how to perform this pose. From the sitting position, slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now slowly bend your legs one by one and sit on your heels. Make sure that both your big toes are touching each other. Spread your knees apart. Bring both your hands up. Give a slight backward bend. Now slowly bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Maintain with normal breathing. Slowly come up. Give a slight backward bend. Drop your hands down. Bring your knees together. Slowly relax your legs one by one and sit in comfortable position. Now let's see some common mistakes that can happen in Balasana. So let's start with the leg position. Always your toes, both your big toes should be together. And when you bend forward, you have to completely sit on your heels. Sometimes it might get difficult. If so, you can use a block or a pillow so that your hip is completely rested on your heels and you can comfortably maintain this pose for a longer duration for the restorative effect. Slowly bring your hands up, bend forward. Now in this position, let's check on the shoulders and the breathing. This is a very good restorative pose. That means you have to be comfortable maintaining this pose. Sthiram, Sukham and Asana. So we have to use the props if you find it difficult to maintain the pose. You can keep a cushion or a rolled towel to keep your forehead rather than touching the floor. You can keep a prop like blocks or some kind of bolster to extend your hand so that you can maintain this pose from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So that makes your breathing very much comfortable. So the ideal position of maintaining this pose is to maintain with closed eyes and with normal breathing. So in that way, it gives the effect of letting go, surrenderance and a total tranquility. Now slowly come up. Rest your hands down.